Hello, Adam Holman from Integrated Machinery Systems here, your value-added reseller for Markforged 3D printers in Indiana and Illinois. Today I'm going to be printing a set of Vise jaws for a potential customer of ours. They're going to be reinforced with fiberglass and printed out of onyx. So here's what one of these jaws looks like in Eiger. I don't have software to capture what's on my screen. I'm still working the bugs out on that. So this is the best I got. But as you can see, we're going with the sandwich panel here, or theory, where we've got a few layers at the top, about 20 layers at the bottom. Hopefully that'll give these Vise jaws enough strength to hold up in the machining process. So here's the finished product. The file that I got from the customer was a .stl with both jaws in it. I wasn't able to orient them individually the way I wanted to, so I had to split it up into two different prints. But as you can see, here's the contour molded into it. These are reinforced with fiberglass printed out of onyx. Each one of these was about 7 hours to print and $14 to $17 each. I'm going to take them over to the customer and see what they think about it.